EDC Homes has a masterpiece here. Located on a large lot in East Ocean View, 9614 8th Bay Street has a great design and flowing floor plan. The dining room is spacious and off of the kitchen for easy entertaining and cleanup. All wood floors are on the first floor along with two-piece crown molding. The kitchen is equipped with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and soft close cabinets and drawers. You will love all of the natural light in here. The family room is wired for hdtv and surround sound. Getting your entertainment center set up will be a breeze. There is a powder room on the first floor for guests. Upstairs you will find a dreamy master suite. Plenty of room for all of your furniture. The walk-in closet is not lacking space either. The 4-piece master bathroom won't leave you feeling less than. Make an appointment today while there is still time to make custom selections.